The reason we tell you to ask Google about the real-world problems with high-frequency inverters, instead of relying on a YouTube influencer, is simple. Google doesn't have a commission link. It aggregates information from thousands of independent sources, technical discussions, documented failures, user experiences, and manufacturer data, giving you a far more objective picture of how these products actually perform over time. Most YouTube influencers? That's a different story. They're not inverter engineers. They're not manufacturers. They're not repair technicians with years of hands-on failure analysis. And despite the friendly tone on camera, they're not there to protect your investment. They're marketers. Their revenue depends on clicks, affiliate links, and product promotion, often for the very high-frequency transformerless inverters that generate the most sales, not the best long-term results. So when you see glowing reviews, ask yourself, is this real engineering insight or a well-produced sales pitch? Because when your entire home's power depends on that inverter, you don't want opinions driven by commissions. You want answers backed by real-world performance. Whether you're powering a full-tilt off-grid country throwdown way out in the backwoods, lights blazing, amps screaming, or holding the line at home when the grid goes dark and the storm starts raging, DIYsolar.com delivers relentless power, unshakable reliability, built for the extremes, with the lowest prices, the best gear on the market, and service that never quits.
Whole world drops, but we don't retreat. Flip the switch, hear the low end roar. Iron wakes, bringing power to the core. Homes go silent, everything's down, but one light burns on the edge of town. When the storm hits hard, we don't divide, we stand our ground. Let the surge collide. Feel that current surging deep within. Real power's back. Let the flow begin.
This system also includes high-quality, top-name brand Eve Energy LFP cells in its batteries. When it comes to lithium battery cells, Eve Energy is one of the most trusted names in the world. Founded in 2001, Eve has grown into a global powerhouse in advanced battery manufacturing, producing millions of high-performance lithium cells used in electric vehicles, grid storage, and renewable energy systems worldwide. Eve's LFP cells are known for exceptional reliability, long cycle life, and industry-leading safety. Their proven chemistry and precision manufacturing have made them a dominant force in the global energy storage market.
No weak links, this is built to last long. Pumps, compressors, AC ignite. Iron drives through the dead of night. No high-freq ghosts, no fragile disguise. No cheap tricks hiding failure inside. Just copper and steel, pure overload. Built to carry the heaviest load. No shortcuts, no high-frequency lies. Just iron will that never dies.
Stop lighting your money on fire buying those cheap, high-frequency, transformerless boxes the YouTube hype machine keeps shoving down your throat. You've seen it. Slick edits, discount codes, zero real testing. And the second you hit them with a real load, they fold like cardboard. That's not power. That's marketing. If you want something that actually survives the hit, you step up to an iron core inverter. Brutal surge capacity, tank-built durability, 24/7 operation that doesn't blink. No gimmicks, no shortcuts, no fragile electronics pretending to be something they're not. When the load spikes, when the storm hits, when everything else burns out, this is what's still standing. Overbuilt by design, underpriced by intent. Welcome to real power. You won't find cheap bargain bin switchgear buried inside these heavy-duty inverter systems, like you will in many of the mass-produced high-frequency units flooding today's market. The Iron Core 10 kilowatt heavy-duty low-frequency, transformer-based inverter is built using professional-grade switchgear engineered by Schneider Electric, one of the most respected names in industrial power systems on the planet. Headquartered in Boston, Massachusetts, Schneider Electric is backed by more than 160,000 employees and over 1 million partners across 100-plus countries, and is consistently recognized as one of the world's most trusted and sustainable energy technology companies. This is industrial-grade hardware designed for real-world abuse, long-term reliability, and safer operation, not the lightweight, cost-cutting electronics that many of our competitors rely on.